What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take in my jeans with some very light sewing. So every time I buy a pair of jeans, I always kind of have this issue because my thigh and I guess my thigh to waist ratio is just not what is made in the market when they're making jeans. So I always have like a little gap in the back of my jeans, and I found this super easy hack to basically take them in, and it's very light sewing. I don't sew at all, so if I can do this, literally anybody can do this. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys the different tools that I use, and I got them literally all off of Amazon. And yeah, I'm going to jump right into the video, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so what you're going to need today is you're going to need some elastic. Again, I'll link this down below, but you can basically get this from Amazon. You'll need a little pair of scissors and then a paper clip, and that's really it, honestly. Yeah, oh, and then you'll also need a sewing kit. Again, I'm not a sewer, so I literally bought this. It's like a cheap little sewing kit off of Amazon as well, and it has the basic necessities of what you need in there. Okay, so first thing you guys want to do is grab the pair of shorts or jeans that you guys are going to do, and what you'll do is cut basically on the inside right here. Not cut all the way through, but you're basically just going to cut two little slits because that's where you're going to pull the elastic through. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. And so you'll literally cut a hole just like this. And you'll do that on both corners. Okay, so once you cut the two little slits like this, like you'll see one right here, and then you'll also see one right here. After you cut those two little slits, you'll want to pull out the elastic and then obviously cut the elastic. So I cut the piece of elastic right here. And after you cut the elastic, you'll want to pull a safety pin through it, and this will basically make it so it's easy for you guys to pull the elastic through the two holes to the other side.
The touch of yours is what I've been looking for. Will you say my name? I just wanna feel you more. I tried to reach out,